Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and maybe replace the front bumper on Audi A6 C5 4B. In order to remove the front bumper, we need to remove some bolts on the front, some bolts on the side, and maybe some bolts on the bottom. First we'll start by removing the two front wheels. Next I'm going to remove the bolts holding the wheel arch liner and move the wheel arch liner to the side, to the rear. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the two wheel arch liners are moved to the rear, we have access to the nuts holding the front bumper. These are the three nuts holding the front bumper on this side, on the right side, and it's the same on the left side. Again, three nuts holding the bumper. We need to remove those nuts. That's the 6 nuts holding the front bumper on the two sides removed. Next we're going to remove the bolts holding the bumper on the front. One of the bolts is right there and the other bolt is on the other side, but in order to get to it we need to remove this grill. On the other side we need to remove that grill as well, but in my case it was missing. That's the bolt right there. We need to remove the bolt completely in order to remove the front bumper. That's the first and the second bolt removed. Now if there is any bolts holding the front bumper on the bottom where the engine and the tray is, we need to remove that. In my case there isn't. If not, we can just pull out the bumper and the only thing left to remove is the electrical connectors. Once we disconnect the electrical connectors, we can take out the bumper. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.